To enable and use Edge Panel in Samsung Galaxy S26 Plus, first of all, you will need to open settings on your device. Next step is to enter the display options, and then we can scroll down and find Edge Panel. If you enable it, you will see the Edge Panel on the right or left side of the screen. We can also click on the Edge Panel settings to customize it. First thing is the panels itself, so that means if you call it out, you will see different things right here below. So you can choose apps, you can choose people as contacts, tasks, you can select multiple things at the same time. Then you can click on edit below it and add or remove those icons. So for example, let's remove gallery and add Google Chrome. Then we have the handle, which allows you to customize the handle. You can make it more transparent if you like. You can add colors to it, change the size and height as well as the width for it. You can also move it to the left or right if you like. Then there's the show in landscape mode, which allows you to enable it and use it even when your screen is in the landscape. That means if you rotate it like that. And now to use it, you will need to pull it out like this, and then you can easily access app icons or whichever panels you've added, and you can also use some of the Galaxy AI features on the top. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.